Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a tour of all my fidgets. Let's get started. First, I've got two simple dimples. They're called simple dimples because they're so easy to use. I really like simple dimples because you can put them on your backpack, you can put them on your purse, you can put them anywhere. And I mostly like them because they're small and you can wear them anywhere in public. I feel like in school they're kind of distracting because they have a loud side and a quiet side. This is the quiet side. You barely even hear that. But the loud side is, we shouldn't be taking these to school. It could distract us, and even it could hurt people. Because look, it can stick on my forehead. I don't know. You just gotta put it on your forehead or wherever you wanna, and then press down in that one. But yeah, these are my simple dimples. Next is a fidget pad. I just got this yesterday, and I want to show you all how I got it. Just kidding. But this is a fidget pad. The most one that I like is this, and I mostly like this part. I like the buttons on it. I like the little controller stick. I even like the thing up here. There's a little texture spot next to it. And I just mostly like everything about it. It's just a really cool fidget pad that has all fidgets on it. It's really good. I feel like some things on it would be bad for people to like distract them, like this button. These two buttons barely make noise, so the green and yellow buttons you can press, but the red and blue buttons are still loud. Like hear them. And hear these ones. They don't sound loud at all. But yeah, that's the tour of my fidget pad. Next is my Tangle. I love Tangle so much. It can come apart, but it can stick back together. So if it comes apart, don't worry. There's this little thing right there. And on the other part, there will be that. And then you just put this part into this part. Like this. Like they're kissing, kind of. But yeah, this is really good to bring to school. Barely even loud. So, 100 out of 10. Totally perfect. Next fidget. Smells like perfume in my room and I'm about to sneeze. Pop tube. You already know what I'm going to say in school. Horrible for school. It makes so much noise. Make letters out of them. Fidget, fidgets, please buy me fidgets like I made up. Oh, I made an O with green. O for Miss Miss Owen. O for O. O for O. Horrible for school, but good for home. Everybody, watch it shrink. But yeah, I have red, yellow, and green. Next is a poppet. I have two of these poppets. To me, I haven't used this in a while, so it feels really big. But this one, I've been using for a while, and I love it. It's a better feeling. So many things. So this can go to disposal if you wanna, and this can come. It's so satisfying. Like these three ones, if you press on them, they're so satisfying. So 100 out of 10 for these puppets, and you should totally buy one. They're not good for school though. Next, since I have a monkey noodle out, I have one broken monkey noodle, a green monkey noodle, and a, I have one, I don't know where it is. Oh, I have an orange monkey noodle. Buy monkey noodles now, they're amazing, buy one now. Like, look. Might hurt you. But they're not good. They're not good for going out in public because people might think they're weapons. Like, see? It can turn into a weapon, like, watch. That monkey noodle can turn into a weapon. Don't want to do that. But still buy one for home and just play with. Next, since I have this block left, let's check out. I'm going to talk about this since I have it out. So this block wacky track is actually really nice because you don't need anything like that to make it. Can't make it, basically, I should say. It's really hard to make this block. But yeah, I'm trying to make something out of it. Fidget, big. If you guys know this song on TikTok, you're getting a shout out right now. Fidgets, fidgets, please buy me fidgets, small and big, any type of fidget. It's a really cool song. It's about fidgets. I'm trying to make some masterpieces. Yes, I made it. This is it. It's hard to make, but 10 out of 10 buy it now. It's actually literally better than the real wacky track. It's way better than the real wacky track. Like, you can actually make things out of it. There's this string in the middle, and if it pops, like, pops, I think all the cubes will come off. But it's really satisfying to do this. Watch them go down. It's really fun though. So 10 out of 10 and 100 out of 100. Buy it now. And 102 out of 2. Buy it. It's amazing. I'll keep on using it 10 times a day. I love it. Next is my slider. How to make it is you need a plastic baggie. You need to cut off some of the top that looks like this. And then you just gotta put it together and then slide it. Now I made this, but I didn't really know how to make it. I was trying to make something else, but I just knew how to make it. So yeah, this is a slider. 100 out of 10. You can just make it. You don't need to buy it. It just like costs no money. Like 0 cents. You see this? It says 0 cents. Okay. Homemade Poppet is also 0 cents. Only if you buy a drink from Wendy's or something like that. So my homemade Poppet, it actually has a hole in the middle. And that's actually a really good thing to use as a Poppet. So you can get it out of any ordinary cup. That's just like a line. I feel like my favorite here is so clearly it is. Okay. But any cup that's lying around, you can totally get. But now on to the next one. Next is my homemade Poppet. It's a really nice homemade Poppet. All you have to do to use it is you can go like that, open it up. Even you can slide up with it. But yeah, this is the Holy Puppet. Next up is my squishy. Actually, I want to, well, yeah, 10 out of 10 buy. 100 out of 10 buy. I was waiting to get onto this one. It's Orion thing. I don't know why. I just saw it in one of my extras things, and I fell in love with it. Oh my god. This thing is like so satisfying. 10 out of 10 buy Orion thing from Target. If you don't know who Ryan is, search up his channel. His name is Ryan. But yeah, if you don't know his channel, sue you. Get his channel. You are such a meanie. I had this since I was like 4, I think. So when I was 4, that was like 4 years ago, I think. 4 years ago. 2016. When I was 4, it was 1, 2, 3, 4. It was 2014 when I was 4. And it's 2021, and I'm not 21 yet. I don't get it. I so good. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. And I don't get it. Okay, but 10 out of 10. Violence pack thingy. It has some kind of like sand or some kind of material inside of it, but buy it. I'm gonna keep on with that one. Next is a water timer. I got this water timer, and to be honest with you, it's actually kind of boring, so don't really buy it. If you want to start making a fidget collection, this is good for making a fidget collection. It's good to start making a fidget collection, but you don't need to buy it if you don't want to. The real wacky track is legendary, but actually not as you can't. Actually, yeah, buy it. It's actually really nice. I think hold on, I'm trying to make a shape for you guys. The reason you can only see my forehead is because I'm trying to make a shape for you guys. I'm trying for you guys to correct. Okay. There it is. Boom. Ah! Okay, where is it? Where is it? Oh, no. Okay, but yeah, that's the wacky track 10 out of 10 buy. Okay. Ready to go. And this is my Wildcat shirt. Next is finger rings. You should totally get them. Like to start a fidget collection. This is also to start making a fidget collection. Buy these. Buy these. This is what I first had my collection. No, I saw this first at the store. And then I saw this next at the store. So I got both of these from Walmart. I got both of them. Both of them were from Walmart. But yeah, buy them. Next is this lipstick smacker. Lip smacker. And I call it a lip smacker. It is called a lip smacker. It's a bow. Look, it says lip smacker. So it smacks at the same time. Next, button clicker. I have a fan, so I just got this button clicker, so let's not talk about it. Next is marble and mesh. It's really soothing. It's like a hamster is going down, up, down, up, down. And whenever you do it this way, it looks like a hamster is going backwards, backwards, backwards. So basically buy these. Next is bike chains. Bike chains are really nice, and whenever they get like this, all you need to do is take this one and put it over there like that. But yeah, these are the bigger bike chains. I feel like if you get the small bike chains, they're even better. So get the small bike chains. I think these are the small bike chains. No, these are big. Yeah, these have big circles, so don't get the little ones. Get the little bike chains. These are my bike chains. My bike chains. Tell me in the comment section below if these bike chains are small or not, because I need to know. I can't tell the difference at all. Okay, next. Sounds too rough. Super down is a DNA wall. I got pimple help. Okay. DNA wall sticks to the wall. Okay, yay, thank you. I don't want sticks to it. I don't want it to hit my fan. I have a fan. I don't want it to hit that. So, bye. Okay. I mean, like, bye. I'm not leaving, but next is the infinity cube. I got this like a week ago, I think, and I am still using it. I've been playing with this for a while. It's like it's a Rubik's Cube. Whenever it gets up here, and you have one that looks like that, you just gotta, or if you have one that looks like, never mind, hold on. If you have one that looks like this, you gotta find your way around it. But yeah, I love an infinity cube. You can buy it. Buy it now. Next are these little spiky balls. I don't want to talk about them. I don't like to talk to the artist makers of them, but these are spiky balls. They are really good for getting tangled in hair, by the way. Just to let you know, do not put them in hair. Do not put hair on it. Do not put hair under it. Like, don't do this with it. Don't do that. It came out, but just don't put in your hair at all. But yeah, these are really cool. They actually stick together to make real things. If you get these by any chance, or find them at a store, please let me know, because I don't know, it's just nice. Next are mochis. Mochis are my favorite. I love them. My cousins wrote from them, so they're really easy to get. They look like mini marshmallows, but they're not. I'm going to save them to last. Next is my, last but not least, is my small popper. Lastly is a fidget cube. I love the fidget cube. I've been playing it for the past days, and this is really nice. I love it. It's so satisfying. So buy it. So buy it. Buy it right now. It's so amazing. So soothing and stuff. I got this kind of one. And yeah. Wait, by the way, if you guys want to see my fidget board, I'm actually going to get it because that's a fidget too. So I'll be right back. I'm back and I've got my fidget board with me. The first one I've got on the agenda is I've got this little squishy stuff. And I got this hair tie that I cut during school. And I did this. Then I have these little things. These are like little things that I use. But yeah, that's what I have on my fidget board so far. Wait, I think I'm going to add something to my fidget board. Let's see. I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add this. Let's see. Okay, I got the tape. Okay, I'm trying to make it. I'll put this thing on, but it just doesn't want to listen to me. Okay, it's not working, so let's just forget about that. But I'm going to be doing a video of introducing you guys to my mom, and then I'm going to be doing a video of introducing you guys to my dad. So those videos are both going to be short, but yeah. I'm going to go to the living room, and then I'm going to do a room tour.